another one. Gagajoy. I promised my granddaughter 5 days ago I'd make her a banana cream pie, and I haven't gotten around to it yet, so this was the final day I was going to let myself get back with it. And it's so easy, of course. Jell-O, a banana cream. If I promise or something, I'm sure going to try to do it. And it's one package, 2 cups of milk, look at my new whisk. It's really nice. It's just the balls, and things don't get caught in it. And a dear friend and cousin of the boys gave it to me. And I've used it. And it's so easy to clean. So nice to get a present sometimes. This is the granddaughter that loves banana pudding so much. And my doggy has found a bird. Let's put a half a teaspoon of vanilla. That's just a little added, I think. You just stick this in the cooler and cool it, and within an hour you've got a good dessert. It's already getting thick. Just let it happen. Now let's put a little whipped cream in it to make it a little fluffier. This smells good. You can smell the bananas in it. I haven't put any bananas in it. Okay. I'm sure there's some bad pieces. Gosh, I remember getting such pretty bananas. You just don't find them anymore. And we have off-brands here. Well, we don't have Chiquitas and stuff like that. Though we don't have those. Let's change. In a year, it seems like. What's your favorite banana dessert to fix? I guess mine would have to go back to this and banana pudding. I don't like the cooked banana pudding because it makes the wafers soft, but a lot of people like the soft wafers. So can please a few people, so that doesn't catch you. I'll make her careful. Sorry. I know you don't like to see me lick my fingers. It's almost a habit. Automatically lick my fingers when something's on. If I'm not close to the sink. Well, how hard was that? Let's put some on top now. Go cut that off for me. Just take the top out. Had a wash machine's off level. And my granddaughter just walked in to see her pie. So, we're in good timing here. How's the pie? Just took about 5-10 minutes, and you've got it. But I would put it in the refrigerator. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it set for about an hour. It's even the pudding set, but I think it's better when it's cold. Anyway, I hope you try it because it's an easy pie to bake. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy, and we'll see you soon. Bye.